Hello and welcome to In Stitches. Just a quick one today. You may have noticed in the previous videos that this machine was a little bit wonky on the table, and that's because the bed feet have deteriorated or disappeared completely. And today I'll show you how to replace the bed feet. They're readily available, they're reasonably cheap. I'll just tip the machine on its back there. And we'll have a close look here. You can see, the remnants of an original bed foot there. It's sort of a grey colour on this model. This is the Stylist 498. And we've got a bent leg here. You might be able to see there, that one's quite bent. So I'll have a go at straightening that. Hopefully that won't snap off there. But we'll have a quick go at straightening that out. First of all, I'll show you how to remove this. It's pretty straightforward. These are just screws. Sometimes you'll find that you need to clear the channel here and the screwdriver slot there. I just get a screwdriver, maybe even just a smaller one, and clear that little bit of debris out of the slot first, and that way you can get your screwdriver into there. That should just unscrew. That. These tend to stick on there quite solidly. There we go. That's probably an original bed foot there. These can go a little bit rusty, so probably a good idea to give that a little bit of a clean up. I won't do that right now, but I will, just to show you this. We'll put the screw back through like that, and then just screw that back in there, and you'll find that they sometimes catch on the lip here on the edge. You might just need to help that in there like that. They tend to sort of stick out a little bit. Just push that in there with a screwdriver. It's probably all you need there. Just like that there. And then continue to, you can tighten these right up because these screws are a stepped screw. Okay, so there's one done. Let's get you in a little bit closer there. Just clear that slot out there. And I'm just going to turn it so that I can get, ooh, yeah, it's tight. Hopefully I'll be able to bend this without breaking it. Is it bent? It might have just been knocked, and maybe it's stripped the screw threads a little bit. Let's have a look. Yeah, I don't think it's bent. I think probably more than likely it might have stripped the screw threads out here. If we're lucky, there'll be enough screw thread there just to hold that in. The other thing is it might have been cross-threaded. See if I can get that back in. No, oh yeah, it's that screw, unfortunately that screw there is stripped. It's a bit of a shame. So that's going to throw a little bit of a spanner in the works there. Let's see if that'll screw back in there. Oh, that's actually tightening up there now. Yep. Oh, that's good and solid there now. This one here might be a little bit bent as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it in a nutshell. quite a bit of gunk in that one there. Just pretty much just dig away at those, they come off. Go ahead and tighten that one there up. That leg can sometimes get a little bit wobbly as well, and that's just a matter of tightening this screw here up. That one there. It's better. So there we go, looking a lot more even there, level, and not wobbling around on the desk so much. So yeah, just these here deteriorate. So yep, nice quick one today, nice and easy. Thank you very much to my patrons on Patreon, and thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.